What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. So the Public Company Accounting Oversight Board has approved the Holding Foreign Companies Accountable Act. Now, what this is going to do is basically establish the manner of the board's determinations in inspecting or investigating completely registered public accounting firms located in a foreign jurisdiction because of a position taken by one or more authorities in that jurisdiction. So they're trying to conceal positions that are being held by authorities in jurisdictions outside of the U.S. And basically, they've approved this today, meaning they're going to be able to go outside and get those audits done. So we'll have to wait and see what comes of this. It is therefore ordered pursuant to Section 107 of the Sarbanes-Oxley Act that the proposed rule file of PCAOB 2021-01, this is the first one this year, be and hereby is approved. Now, it says right here, the proposed rule will be effective promptly upon approval by the Commission, which happened today. So it should be scheduled to be published tomorrow. So we should have implementation on the 10th. Let's see what happens.